Okay, I'm attempting to figure out why my TXED012 compressor will not build beyond 500 psi. This is a 4-inch diameter desiccant dry pack. This was working easily on my previous single cylinder setup. That is not a flow restriction issue. You notice everything is wet from being water tested. I'm going to close up that valve. We are deadheaded. Everything is connected as it was from the factory. Water cool setup. I've got 4 gallons of antifreeze rolling. Antifreeze is currently, head temperature is currently 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Water temperature is, antifreeze temperature is 66.6. All right, I have things set to shut off at roughly 1,000 psi. We're gonna fire it up. It hasn't gotten beyond 500. No point in running it any longer. That's all the farther she gets.